Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the HP Smart Tank 580 printer error E3, meaning and full troubleshooting fix. Fix 1. Cancel the print job. So press the cancel button on the printer and wait until the printer becomes completely quiet. Fix 2. Turn off and unplug the printer. So turn off the printer, disconnect the power cable from the printer and wall outlet. Wait about 60 seconds before checking inside. Fix 3. Remove the jammed paper or obstacles. So open the printer front access door. Check around the printer carriage for torn paper, label and packaging material or other services. Now remove any obstacles carefully and also inspect the paper input area for small pieces of paper. Fix 4. Check the print head cover. Make sure the print head cover or latch is fully closed and securely locked. Do not open or remove the print head cover unnecessarily. Fix 5. Restart the printer. So close the front door, connect the power cable directly to the wall outlet and turn on the printer and press the resume button to continue printing. Fix 6. Reset the printer. So if E3 remains, keep the printer turns on. Disconnect the power cable from the back and unplug it from the wall. And wait 60 seconds and reconnect the cable directly to the wall outlet and turn the printer back on. Goodbye and thanks for watching.